This type of door dent behind me is the most common dent that I fix as a PDR technician. Now of course everyone wants to see the big smashes and the complex repairs, but the majority of the money that I earn as a PDR tech comes from fixing these everyday dents. It's what I refer to it as the bread and butter of the PDR industry. So this dent really is small. Let's see if we can pick it up without the line board. You can just catch it in the reflections as I move around. As you can see, it's a tiny little dent, about 10 mil across, and it's slap bang in the middle of this door panel. So I've opened up the gap with this door wedge and I've protected my glass with my window board. I'm going to use this bar. This is my standard door bar from BLE Tools. Drop it down on the inside, get straight behind that dent, and it should be quite quick to remove that to a high standard. Hey, don't forget you can subscribe to the channel. It takes seconds to click that subscribe button. Go on, it takes seconds and it massively helps my channel grow. Now this of course was a really small, simple dent. Start to finish took about 2 to 3 minutes to repair. This is why it's so important to really master those foundation skills with your PDR training. Because once you start to repair everyday dents like this to a high standard, that's when you can start to earn money as a PDR technician. Then as you develop your skills, you can start to take on larger damage, more complex repairs. But for me, dents like this is where I earn the majority of my money as a PDR technician. So if you want to learn how to fix dents like this and actually start earning money as a PDR technician, check out my foundation course. You can visit learnpdronline.com or just head to the link in the description straight below this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.